All right, guys. So mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. You get my point. So what you need to do is to record an empty background for some seconds. Now you have to go in. Make sure you have a green cloth wrapped round your stomach. You get my point. Before then you can wear another cloth to cover it, just like what you see right here. Then you go with a glass of water, and as you are drinking the water, you are opening the cloth. Allow the green cloth to show. I don't know if you get my point. So you keep on drinking, keep on drinking. When you are done, you can belch and you can do whatever you wish to do. Understand? So it doesn't end there. You cover your stomach, cover your clothes. You get my point? Then you can walk away. Now you need to make another recording. Now this one, you place a glass. Use portrait to do this other recording. You place a glass on top of something, either pavement. Then you pour in water inside the glass. Understand? Just the way you see me do right here. You get my point? So when you are done with this one, guys, please like and share this video now. You save the video to your gallery and then head over to Capcut. Now on Capcut, click on new project and import the video you just recorded. So look at it here. So you can click on this sound icon to mute all the sounds. You get my point in the background. When you are done with that, we recorded an empty background, so we have to tap on the video layer, then click on split from here. So you go and look for overlay. Click on overlay, bro. So you drag it, place a finger on it, drag it to the beginning of the video. Now we have two layers. So now we will have to decide on how we want our video to start. You get my point? So from here, I will just tap on split and delete the beginning of the video. Then I'm going to drag this other one here. I'm going to drag this other one to the beginning, so it will align. You get my point? So guys, like and share this video. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Now what you will do here, you click on this plus button here. You are not going to tap on the first layer to freeze or do anything. You can even adjust it a little. You get my point? Towards where you are opening your stomach. Understand? So what you're going to do, click on the plus button and import the glass video you recorded. Understand? So let it be right here. Understand? You get my point? If you get my point, just tell me you get my point. So that's how it's gonna be. If you are able to get to this point, it means you are understanding everything I'm saying, and I'm so happy you get it. So now go and look for remove BG. When you tap on the second layer, click on chroma key. So you move this circle to where it shows green. Look at it here. This is very simple. You get my point? So you can increase the intensity a little. You can just play with the fader icon. This fader icon is, you just increase it to 100 because we don't want anything to show. You get my point? For those of you that don't have access to this because of the Capcut you are using, chat me on WhatsApp. So we're going to strike a deal. So I'll walk you through how to use this type of Capcut, how to get this Capcut. You get my point? So you tap on the first layer, which is the glass layer. Adjust it to fit to where your stomach is, just like what you see here. Understand? It's just a little adjustment. So if you want me to mentor you on video editing from scratch, you get my point? You chat me on WhatsApp, we're going to strike a deal. You get my point? So that's just it, guys. After all this, you don't really need much to do here. It's just to add your sound effect and every other thing, and you are good to go. Like I said, it's simple. Understand? It's very simple. So let me know if you're able to do this, and then leave a comment in the comment section. Some people don't get notified when I drop a video because they don't turn on their notification bell. Understand? So that's why you need to turn it on. So whenever I drop another amazing video editing tutorials, you'll be notified. You'll be the first to be notified. You get my point? So just see you in our next video.